Welcome back to QuizzyTube. Are you ready to play a new challenge? Mystery Gift Edition. I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's get started, lucky people.
Would you rather get a Harley Davidson or get a mystery box? Yamaha R1. Would you rather get a Samsung S3 or get a mystery box? BlackBerry. Would you rather get a pizza or get a mystery box? Salad. Would you rather get a cute puppy or get a mystery box? Elephant. Would you rather get a sneakers or get a mystery box? Boot shoes. Would you rather get a Ferrari or get a mystery box? Broken Ferrari. Would you rather get a backpack or get a mystery box? Plastic bag. Would you rather get a cheeseburger or get a mystery box? Double cheeseburger. Would you rather get an unlimited time or get a mystery box? Unlimited money. Would you rather get a live-in hotel or get a mystery box? Live in tent. Would you rather get a swimming in river or get a mystery box? Swimming in pool. Would you rather get a hot chocolate or get a mystery box? Hot water. Would you rather get a cheese balls or get a mystery box? Hot dog. Would you rather get a porta potty or get a mystery box? River toilet. Would you rather get an NBA ticket or get a mystery box? Jordans. Would you rather get a smartwatch or get a mystery box? Rolex watch. Would you rather get a Mercedes-Benz or get a mystery box? BMW. Would you rather get a PlayStation 4 or get a mystery box? PlayStation 5. Would you rather get a headphone or get a mystery box? Earphone. Would you rather get a bicycle or get a mystery box? Broken bicycle. Would you rather get a vacation or get a mystery box? Go to gym. Would you rather get a French fries or get a mystery box? Potato. Would you rather get a gold bar or get a mystery box? Wood log. Would you rather get a smartphone or get a mystery box? Old phone. Would you rather get a this cat or get a mystery box? Dirty cat. Would you rather get a chocolate bar or get a mystery box? Hot chocolate. Would you rather get an ice cream or get a mystery box? Burger. Would you rather get a this laptop or get a mystery box? Would you rather get a trip to Japan or get a mystery box? Trip to Indonesia. Would you rather get a this dog or get a mystery box? Dirty dog. Would you rather get a swimming or get a mystery box? Hiking. Would you rather get a yacht or get a mystery box? Boat. Would you rather get an unlimited food or get a mystery box? Unlimited drink. Would you rather get a ticket for vacation or get a mystery box? Empty gift. Would you rather get a watching YouTube or get a mystery box? Watching TV. Would you rather get an Apple Watch or get a mystery box? Old Apple. Would you rather get a sneakers or get a mystery box? Sneakers box. Would you rather get a diamond ring or get a mystery box? Empty gift. Would you rather get a this monitor or get a mystery box? Old monitor. Would you rather get a ticket concert or get a mystery box? Guitar. Would you rather meet Cristiano Ronaldo or get a mystery box? Meet with Messi. Would you rather get a smartwatch or get a mystery box? Empty gift? Would you rather get a breakfast or get a mystery box? Empty plate? Would you rather get a kitten or get a mystery box? Bicycle? Would you rather live in modern house or get a mystery box? Live in hotel? Would you rather sleep in glamping or get a mystery box? Camping? Would you rather go to mountain or get a mystery box? Go to beach? Would you rather playing soccer or get a mystery box? Playing basketball? Would you rather like this video or get a mystery box? Comment in this video. Would you rather subscribe this channel or get a mystery box? Like this video.